Hello and welcome to this video initiative brought to you by AA Shah's IS Institute. Today we will be discussing about the International Solar Alliance, which has been in news a lot recently. Since it's in news, it becomes very important for the prelims examination 2018. So we will be discussing the various facts about the ISA which are important for prelims examination. So first thing is that it was proposed by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and in a speech in November 2015 at the Wembley Stadium. The initiative was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the India-Africa Summit. So it was first proposed at Wembley Stadium and initiative was launched at the India-Africa Summit. The framework agreement of the International Solar Alliance, it was open for signatures at the Marrakesh Conference of Parties 22 in Morocco in November 2016. Since then, 121 countries have joined the International Solar Agreement. Most of the members, they are called as the sunshine countries, that is they lie between the two tropics, that is the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Since the primary objective of this alliance is to efficiently exploit solar energy and reduce the dependence on fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, etc. So that is why these countries which lie between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, they receive maximum sunlight. So that is why these countries are the members of the International Solar Alliance. Having said that, please remember the fact that the countries that do not fall within the tropics can also join the alliance. So if there is a statement in the prelims examination which says that countries between the between the two tropics, only those countries can join the International Solar Alliance, please remember that such statement would be wrong, as the countries which do not fall between the two tropics can also join the alliance. Only thing is that they will not have any voting rights whatsoever. The major aim of this alliance is to mobilize more than 1,000 billion US dollars for investments needed by 2030 for deployment of solar energy. So it will mobilize more than $1,000 billion to build new solar energy initiatives. What will be the key focus areas here? The key focus areas will be promoting solar technologies, formulating projects and programs to promote solar applications. So solar applications would mean solar applications which can replace use of fossil fuels. For example, solar cooker is a common example wherein you don't use basic LPG or coal or wood etc. to make food, and you use solar energy. Or solar vehicles could be one example. Then develop financial mechanisms to reduce the cost of capital. Build a common knowledge e-portal for all the member countries. It plans to build a common knowledge e-portal for solar technology, and to facilitate capacity building for promotion and absorption of solar technologies and R&D among member countries. So basically facilitating capacity building for more and more use, promoting more and more use of solar technology and more research and development among the member countries. As we all know, research and development is a very important thing here, because this is a new venture, a new technology that we'll be using. So the more research and development that we have here, the more it is good for the future generations, as we will be saving on a lot of fossil fuel. Now it is to be headquartered in India. An interim secretariat for the ISA has been launched at the National Institute of Solar Energy. National Institute of Solar Energy is located in Gurugram, which was formerly Gurgaon in Haryana. So interim secretariat has been launched at the National Institute of Solar Energy. And almost 5 acres of land has been dedicated within the NISC for the future headquarters of the ISA. It is an intergovernmental body which is registered with the United Nations. So obviously now it has a better reach and a better acceptance since it is registered with the United Nations. Please remember these key points here, that these 3 key countries of China, Pakistan and United States of America are not the members of the ISA so far. So I hope this video will be helpful for you all who are preparing for prelims examination 2018. Please like our channel on YouTube. You can follow us on Twitter and also like our page on Facebook. All the best for your preparation. Thank you very much.